Hey guys, it's Chris and welcome back to The Ridge. Today, we're gonna make chewing tobacco out of the tobacco we harvested from our garden earlier this year. And here's this tobacco. It's been drying and waiting for this exact day. It smells incredible. So anyway, we're gonna cook up a little sauce to put on it, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. Join us.
Sweet Maple Ridge Farms. Come on down, everybody. Go!
All right, everybody. Thanks for coming back to the channel. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take our apple cider. It's not that much, less than a half gallon, maybe a quarter gallon. You could also use apple juice. We used that last time. It turned out good. We're going to use this because this is what we have left. We're going to pour this into our pan, and we are going to cook this down until it is a thick syrup, almost like molasses. And then we are going to add molasses. How about that? So we'll be back when this starts to boil. All right, so we're just gonna let this boil. So while that apple cider is cooking down, we're gonna take our tobacco and we're gonna cut the stems out of it. I just used regular old kitchen shears to do that. And then I'm gonna put it all in this food grade, food safe bucket that's like a 2-gallon bucket or something like that. I should also say when you go to cut the stems out of it, you want to cut it into smaller pieces, about like that. Look how nice this looks. It's real pliable, real nice and golden. Smells amazing. So we're gonna cut this one up just like we've done here so far. We're gonna keep on going. All right, so this was about half of that box. I'm gonna save the rest for another time once I'm out of this. The reason why is because I did find that as time goes on, the quality of it does go down after you make it into the chewing tobacco. So the quality does go down. It starts to get kind of weird and whatever. So I'm just making a little bit at a time. This will not turn out to be a lot. It looks like a lot right now, but once you pour the sauce, whatever, over it, it's going to be a lot less. It's going to shrink. So.
And we still had a couple hours before
all right, so this apple cider has cooked down all the way down to this type of syrup. So this is what you want. All right, and then I just added 1/2 teaspoon of molasses. Stir that around. All right, now I'm gonna add just a little bit, about that much, of Sweet Maple Ridge syrup. This is maple syrup we made here last year. And we're gonna add some salt, about that much. We're gonna stir that around. All right, next thing we're gonna do is pour this syrup, real thick like this. We're gonna pour it all in here. And then just mix it up a little bit with your hands. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We really appreciate it. All right, so I put the rest of that syrup in here. And looking really good. All right, so this is what we have. Looks really good. You can see it sort of like sticks together. So we're gonna put this into a Ziploc bag, and that's that. And when we're out of this, we'll do this whole thing again. Everyone, if you like this video, make sure that you hit the like button. It really helps with our YouTube rankings. And definitely hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you next time out on the ridge.